Good morning, children. Welcome to VPS e-learning class. As you know, children, you have given your post-periodic examination, and today we are going to start with our final syllabus. Let me tell you first, in your final exam, two chapters are going to come. They are chapter 10 and chapter 11. Chapter 10 is time and chapter 11 is geometry. So children, today we will start chapter 10, that is time. In time, you all have uh, discussed this chapter earlier also in your class 3rd. So you all are having clock in your home. You have seen it also. So how many numbers are there in clock? There are 12 numbers given in a face of the clock. 3 hands are given. Shorter hand is for showing the hours. Longer hand is for showing the minute. And the third one is for showing the seconds. Children, as we know, our hand, short hand, which is showing the hours, it take one round in 12 hours. So it will take 2 rounds in 24 hours. And we know it very well that one day is equal to 24 hours. So in a day or in one day, our our hand take 2 rotation of the clock. Children, we know it very well that 1 hour is having 60 minutes and 1 minute is having 60 seconds. So therefore 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds and 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Today we will revise this chapter. Then from tomorrow we will start the exercise. So take out your book, open page number 179. There it is given revision work we will do today, and we will continue with exercise from tomorrow onwards. So children, take out your book. Let's start revising the chapter. Children, as you can see here, chapter 10, time is given. The objectives which we are going to learn in this chapter, they are AM and PM. AM means morning and PM means evening. So after afternoon, from 12 noon PM started. Time duration in hours, days in a year, 24-hour clock, minutes and second. Today let us revise the chapter. Look at the clocks and write the time in figures as well as in words in the space provided. So here clock is made for you. The time is shown in the clock. You have to write the time. You have to observe the time, and then you will write that time in numbers and words, figures as well as in word also. So first is short hand is on 3 and long hand is on 4. So there is 3:20. From 12 we will count 12 to 1 5 minutes, 1 to 2 5 minutes, 2 to 3 5 minutes and 3 to 4 5 minutes. It means that 3 past 20. Okay, so this you will write here, and you will write 3 past 20 in words. Question B, you can see the clock is drawn here, and the short and the long, both the hands are at 12. So it means 12 noon or 12 midnight, but it is 12:00, and you will write here exactly 12 it is showing. Question C, here the clock is above the 3. it is not exactly on the 3, it is above the 3, and the long hand is at 9. So it is going to 3. So 15 minutes left to 3. Now 15 minutes are left to 3. So you will write 2:45 here. 2:45 is going, it is done, it is shown here. So 2:45 you will write here, or 2 past 45 also you can write here. Question D, here you can see exactly 9 o'clock is there. So you will write here 9 o'clock. Here you can see the shorthand is at 5 and the long hand is at 6. So you will write what? 5:30. 5 past 30 is the time in clock. So it is showing the 5:30. You can write it as 5:30 and 30 past 5. Question F. Here exactly 11 o'clock is there. It is showing the time 11 o'clock. So you will write here 11 semicolon and 00 and 11 o'clock in words. Then question second is select the correct option. Here the statements are given. You have to select the correct option. So first is, it will take days or minutes to finish my lunch. When you are doing your lunch, so what time? The time it is taken for finishing your lunch. So the time is it in minute or days? So you take minutes to finish your lunch, not days. है ना? So what will be the answer of it? Minute. It will take minute to finish my lunch. Second is, I will start the car in seconds, minutes or hours. For starting the car, what time it will take? In seconds, in minute or in hours. So this is for you. You will think and you will write the answer of this question number B. So think it and tell me the correct answer tomorrow. You will do these 2 questions in your book only. With the help of pencil you fill it here and tomorrow you will send it for correction. So it is as your homework for today. Okay children. Third question is, it takes second or days for Manoj to reach his hometown. So you have to think this question also, that it will take seconds or day for Manoj to reach his hometown. So do these 2 questions, think it and do it by yourself. Fill the answers in your book carefully and then you will send this homework photo on WhatsApp tomorrow. Okay children, so this is your homework for today and this is your classwork for today. So if you will have any problem regarding this page, you can ask me and do this homework and send me the photo of this page tomorrow for correction. So children, thank you and have a nice day.